Please drive fast. I want to die. The pain is too much.
I know. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Just take it easy. We need to get to safety first. Okay? Calm down, calm down. We need to get to safety. Calm down. We'll get to safety, please. Calm down, honey. Calm down. Everything will be fine. We need to get to safety first, okay? Easy, easy, dear. Easy. 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 I'm on it, I'm on it. Easy. We need to get to safety now. Okay?
This is not the way to the hospital.
I know, we just need to get to safety. Here is not safe, okay? You never can tell before you know to get to a village. Let's keep going. Sorry. I know. Just endure. Please, let's keep going. Please. Begging you, please, this way. Easy. Hurry up. Hurry up.
The pain is too much.
Hurry up. I'm sorry. Sorry. Please don't kill me. Enough.
Your Majesty, you're shutting me up. I am your wife. I have the right to know the thoughts of my husband. Please, my king, I'm begging you. Please.
It is not your responsibility to discuss palace business with me. It is the duty of the Iliche and, of course, the Inobe. Get it right.
What kind of frustration is this? Oh!
Alacha must come back. Abaste. Look at the time and this man is not back. Okay. Okay, I'm waiting to hear the story you will tell me this time around. Hey, onye makwa Sebastian Bobby ya na phone o. Onye makwa Sebastian Bobby ya na phone o maka ọ ga-akpọtụkwa.
Good morning.
Good morning. I saw another file on my desk. What is it for?
Oh, the Hilltop project. You said you wanted to see the resolution of the discussion and, the meeting between us and the investors.
Yeah, discussions, meetings, they're all the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it safe. I will tell you when I get it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Sebastian.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you say about my request?
Madam, I'm a married man.
You will not be the first. Neither will you be the last. After all, you can always walk away from your marriage. Just what?
Madam, no. This is not allowed, madam. This is a working environment, please. I can't do this, please.
My head is empty. It's going to be Italian loud. I don't see.
Come back here.
What?
Where is the money I gave to your sister to go to market and buy something for me?
Which money?
The one you collected from me. The money you collected from me.
The one you collected from me. Bring it out.
Which money?
The one you collected from me.
This boy has finished me. This boy has finished me. This boy has finished me. I told you. You see? What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? Hey.
My beautiful wife.
Hold your greetings. Hold your greetings, Sebastian. Where are you coming back from? And why didn't you pick my calls? Or do you want to tell me you did not see my calls? You try one day from my calls. What the hell do you think you are to snub my calls?
Is that how you greet your husband who has had a long day at work?
Hey, Uchi, no, now. I will bring you milk. See, maybe I'll add sardine inside it now. Eh? Why are you so irresponsible, Sebastian? Why? Always trying to intelligently change the topic. Why?
I don't have the time now, so just get out.
Where are you coming back from? No, you think you can win who you were from this one up here? Now this time around, where are you coming back from? Answer me now.
Why is it that every time I come back from a long day at work, you top it up with your nagging? Why?
Saba, I not nag. Oh, no now, increase your volume now. Why did you bring it down? So your wife is not a nagging wife up here? You've not answered me. If you want peace, tell me where you're going.
I don't know, Zakamba.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Answer me, you enter. KBC, where are you coming back from? That means that, oh, how about in jail now? No, I on generator. Where are you coming back from? Answer no now, answer me. Where are you coming back from? Am I not a woman being standing here? Or you think you don't have any right to tell me where you're coming back from? Eh? I'm Ekwensu. So you want the neighbors to hear my voice now and they'll come and start saying this woman is only shouting. It's you that is causing this now. Oh. They should come and hear me. Oh. Tell me where you're coming back from and you enter inside. Close your mouth. I'm not Ekwensu. Tell me where you're coming back from.
Unless I'm not the one that gave it to him. Yes! He will not! I'm talking. I said he will not sleep in that my house today. Mama, you're the one that spoiled him. It's all your fault. How? You're asking me how? Are you not the one that trained him? If you do something bad, you will not correct him immediately.
Hey, is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying? There's no problem. Go and get you. I'm not going to tell you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Has my son arrived?
No, Your Majesty. The king asked that you should contact his protocol officers to make sure they're on their way.
I've done that already. It's a stupid man's like that. It will be closer. Who would have thought by now they'll be here? I'm wondering what would have been the reason for the delay. What are you still standing here doing?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Come with me.
Calm down now. Where they doing? Where they going? Walk on back. Shut up! I go shut you! Not enough that you village urchins are playing or fighting on the road. You still compounded your stupidity by trying to destroy my whiskey. Are you okay? Be this man. Are you? Huh? You know now. Okay, if you don't know, I go break on that. You know me. You know no place. Come here. They're asking you. Go take that man out of this. Stupid idiot. If you touch my girl, huh? Go. Are you mad?
Good morning, dear. I'm off to work. Why is the door locked?
So, Sebastian, you think you can wake up in the morning and leave the house without giving me money for food? If you want to go to work, give me money for food.
Why do you like issues? I already told you we have not been paid our salary. And the only money I have at hand is to settle the mechanic so we can be mobile again.
Wait. So that car, that your jalopy, that gura is more important than I am. No, tell me, all the car. Wait, that jalopy, that gura keep. So what the important?
You want the truth?
Yes, Sebastian. Tell me the truth. That car or your wife?
That car. Yes. What else are you good at? What do you bring to the table? Aside lying down all day watching TV and consuming all the food in this house. And then at night you snore away your life. Gineka. You are just not useful for anything. Yet you nag and pressure my life. Let me open the door and go to work.
If you finish running your mouth like that, you give me money for food.
Give me that key.
The only thing I want from you is courage and prayers. Stop pushing me away from you. Where is the love you promised me?
You will leave your house for me to come and eat now. Your house is filled.
Your nagging is too much of me.
Come here. Look at him. I love you. How did it go?
It's okay. It was okay.
You kept me waiting.
Traffic, Mom. Traffic, you know how it is.
I suspected.
Yeah, Mom, you're looking so...
No more questions.
Oh my goodness, you're even looking younger than myself, Mom.
Look at him. Beside your father is racing. You have it, sir. Is there another one? Speak to me.
The true one bears the mark. Royal blood runs through his veins.
The true one. Tell me, where can I find him? Speak to me, old witch. Speak to me. Where can I find him?
Closer than you think.
Mom, you mean there's another prince?
Yes.
Does Dad know about him?
I'm not sure he knows. Or probably he's pretending about it. But from all indication, I bet you he knows. And that is why I want him to present you as his heir.
Mom, I think you've just been paranoid. Because I've been having conversation with Dad, and he doesn't depict that there's any secret. Besides, he has always been telling me how proud he is of me and how I'm going to be the king. So I don't think there's anything like that. I strongly believe that.
I'm just saying.
I know you always look out for me, I know. But you don't need to worry yourself, okay, Mom? All is okay. Is that why you're worried?
Just a bit.
Smile for your son. That's not enough, Mom.
What's wrong with this man? Are you mad? Who be that mad now? You mad? Where you want to make her fly? Where do you want to make her pack? Where you want to make her pack from middle of the road? Oh yeah, the horn now. The horn like mad person. What? How did this get here? How did the crowd get? What's going on?
Please don't kill me. I did not steal it, I swear.
What are you thinking, stealing the rare crop?
I did not steal it. Believe me, I swear I did not steal it. I found it in the car. I don't know how we got into the car. Please.
I believe you.
Thank you.
Get into the car.
Okay.
I'm in back seat. To the back seat.
Yeah.
I did not steal. Get into the car.
Man they suffer, man they hustle. Destiny of a man, Akalaku. Nothing is free, even in the free city. Oh. Nothing is free, yeah. Nothing is free, oh. Nothing is free. Oh. You must hustle, you must survive. Oh. As a man, you must hustle. Well. Nobody go help you tomorrow. Try help yourself. Makopuku, Kamaduja, try fedana million. Tomorrow go better. Tomorrow, hustle no deki. Hustle no deki. Don't lose hope in life. Your future is bright. You don't know what God has prepared for you. Don't lose hope. Hustle no deki, hustle no deki. Anu kolo gilianu, ke mecha welo gililacha. Anu kolo gilianu, mecha welo gililacha. Afufada madogwanu naru, cha. The end just fight the miss. Inugo, emenalua, emenampu, because of ego. Don't soil your hand because you want to make it big. Don't allow pressures of this world.
No. Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. A married man is coming back to his house. Abi is sneaking back to his house. Are you done running? No, are you done running? I did not sleep because I want to give you war. Shege Banza, that is why I'm waiting for you. I'm here to give you Shege Banza. Are you done running? What, Anna?
What have I done to you? Why is it that a man will work all day long and want to come back to a warm bed and a good meal, and you will come with your nagging? That's why I left the bedroom for you, because I tried to and came to the living room to lie down. Yet you found me out.
What's a good meal? So you expected me to cook? Cook with what? No, answer me. Cook with what? You ran out in the morning. Did you give me money? No, answer me. Did you give me money? I'm talking, you're sleeping, my friend. I've declared war. Ogunangwa. Let's do it. Welcome back. War! Let's do it. Wake up.
Chineke, if you are in here, if you the tea in my life, if you are the mafia, or the phone man.
So you're saying I'm a mad woman? Yes, I'm a very mad person. The one that is raving mad, that is walking. The only thing that is meant for me now is to roam around the streets. Wake up! War! Then, oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah, let's get mad together. Wake up! You will not sleep, oh. You will not sleep, oh. You get him wanna stand up, oh. That's it.
Are you a witch?
Yes.
Holy Ghost fire!
Fire!
Hey. You. I've been wondering since when you'll be home to give me my favorite hug. That's your way. That's what you've been saying. The house has been very boring. Seriously, I've been so, I've been so bored. So boring at home without you, babe. You always know that when you come. What? Are you sure? Come on, be serious. When you come back, you'll see whether you see it yourself. Maybe better than before the way. Are you serious? Please come on board. Seriously, I'm very bored at home. You're not serious. It's a lie. That's not true.
Sandra,
I didn't know that your husband had changed like this. I mean, he used to worship you now.
The Sebastian you used to know is not the same Sebastian. I am suspecting that my husband is cheating on me. Yes.
No, not Sebastian. Okay? Because we all know he loves you. And he used to spend on you back then in school. Or have you forgotten?
What did you say?
Back then in school.
Thank you. Back then in school. This same clothes you're wearing now, were you wearing it back then in school? The Sebastian you're seeing now is not the Sebastian of yesterday. My husband has changed. Neka, my instinct has never failed me and will not start failing me today. I am sure, in fact, I'm convinced that that man is having an affair with another woman.
This is serious. So what are you going to do? Because I know any man that doesn't spend on his wife has a girlfriend.
Who cares? But does it look like I care? Me, I don't care. Because I know that no woman in her right senses will fall for that my husband. No.
Stop it.
It's not funny. It's not funny. You fall for my husband with that his yellow picker.
My dear, forget. You can't tell, my dear. Because girls are very desperate now. Extremely desperate.
Their desperado cannot move them to Sebastian.
Have
because Sebastian is too poor.
Come on, stop now.
You know girls of this, they know at this now. They like flashy things. My husband cannot provide it for them.
Actually.
Kuku, if he wants, we'll break up now. Sure, divorce is not fun now. Either he leaves or I leave. It's not a do or die affair marriage.
Young lady. I trust you. Let me drink my cookie, please.
Drink, Jerry. Sorry, I did not buy you biscuits.
I still owe you.
Don't worry, next time I'll buy you.
Alright, I'm okay with this one.
Your Highness, further postponement will cut off people. You see, they need to know the hand of the king. They want to see the hand of the king. They know our king, that is a man that sticks to his word. Well, a little postponement will not hurt anyone. But, like you have said, we'll stick to the date as planned. No, as my close confidant and most reliable advisor, I want you to follow up on the organizing committee. You know, I want us to have a hitch-free event. I hope you understand and all. Yes, Your Highness. I will do exactly. All right. May you live long, Your Highness.
Hello? Good morning. Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm home. I'm sorry, I slept late. I won't keep you waiting, I promise. I'm coming.
Keep you waiting? Who is she? So it has gotten to the point that you no longer respect the sanity of our home. Who is that lady? Who is the person that you're talking to? Bring your phone.
Did you smoke Igbo in your dream or something? So I cannot talk with my people at the workplace again.
Which work? Work. Is it not a woman voice that I heard? Sabi, you're cheating on me. So you're cheating on me. I see it. Sabi, God will punish you under your side cheek. God will punish you under your side cheek. And may God have mercy on you, because when I will start my own, it will only take heavens for me to stop.
It won't be well with Tony Megi this time.
Man, Kegi one. What do you call that? Yeah.
Please give me peace. Love, give me peace.
I'm talking to you. Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you?
And I cried and shouted.
You want to go and meet Okoya? Okoya, you want to go and meet her? Let's watch the car. Let's watch the car now. Let's watch the car now. Shebi, you want to go and say, let me also watch you. Let me watch you so you go and see her.
And I heard a voice.
You promised me.
I'm sleeping, oh. I'm sleeping. I want to sleep.
What do you want me to do right now? Do you want me to stay?
Go to my room. You'll see my hairs on the bed. Gather them, you'll be taking them to the salon forever.
That's my process.
Right away.
Not as you think now. Oh,
My king.
Jane, I have to go for the office.
Not yet, sir.
You know me
now. Dad, I know you're worried about the office affair. With telephony, your daughter can control everything that has to do with the office affair.
Exactly.
Wow.
Father, are you stepping out?
Yes, he is going on a trip. You know, he's having a meeting with the other royal fathers of all oil producing communities. Right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. But that's a very big opportunity for your son to meet the president. Why didn't you take your heir, the heir to the crown of this kingdom, to at least meet the president?
Wow, that's quite ambitious. Well, next time, because this is not a social call. Maybe some other time, okay?
Okay.
And my dear wife and my children,
Majesty.
I need you to stay well. I'll be back by weekend.
Safe trip, my dad.
Please stay safe.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, my queen.
And eat well.
What about your daughter?
You don't hug your king.
I don't mind, he's my father.
Just stab her back. Don't
Just
hug.
your daughter? Just your daughter? Just the daughter?
No.
Okay.
But you go have your queen ready.
Oh, really? Okay, that's gonna happen soon. Anyway. Don't worry. Yeah, that's gonna happen soon.
All right, so I'll be leaving now. Okay?
Majesty.
Take care of yourself.
You too, Dad.
That's your father.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more, you know.
Sandra, you're giving your husband a bad time. Yes, we are the ones who chase our men away from us.
Nika, don't tell me anything about bad times because you're not the one in my shoes. If you're the one in my shoes, you will know how painful it is. My prayer is that one day God will disgrace my husband under his side chick.
Sandra, how can God disgrace someone who goes out in the morning to his working place? I think these are all illusion in your head. Yes.
Illusion in my head? Okay, I accept. You will stay here and you will see it. God will disgrace both of them. Because it's that side chick that is making my husband not to desire my body again. Makachuku.
You think so? Don't you think it's your attitude?
that makes him not to find you attractive anymore.
Chikwa, hold up. What is happening?
I'm telling you the truth.
No, Nneka, what is happening? Because today, 1 second you're with me, the next minute you're with my husband. What is happening?
I have to tell you the truth now. Nothing but the truth.
What truth are you telling me? Wait, Nneka. Are you the side chick?
What do you mean?
What I mean is that it's like you're the side chick. I'm here pursuing something that is outside. I don't know the thing is inside the house here.
Are you okay?
I am okay.
I don't think you are.
If you don't know what to say, shut your mouth up. Pocket it inside your bag or you get out of my house.
Are you asking me out?
I've told you.
You just calm down and stop nagging. Yes, you have to stop nagging. Yes, you're nagging too much.
Hello? Sorry, excuse me.
What kind of thing we do for you?
Please, I don't mean to disturb you, please, but can you just assist me to push this car to that corner so I don't block people's way?
I should assist you push this car.
Yes.
As what? Oh, you left your house this early, Papa, you forgot to buy food, and you're telling me to push your car for you?
No, it's just a little push to that corner there. It's not like a...
I better get out.
How do I deliver this file now to Princess Rhoda?
Okada! Wait, Okada!
My princess. Is everything okay?
What do you care? Let me have the file.
Sorry about that.
It's not time for you to go back to the office.
Oh, sorry, my princess. I'll be on my way now.
Hold on, let me get to the file and go to the office.
Okay, my princess.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
Please, are you one of the members of the royal family?
No, I'm not a member of the royal family. But the daughter just went inside now. She'll be out soon. Just exercise a little patience.
Okay.
Hello.
Good day, my princess.
Good day. How may I help you?
Okay. This is Detective Henry and this is Detective Jude.
Okay, how may I help you?
We're from the force headquarters. Can we see anyone to talk to, please?
You can actually talk to me, but hold on, let me call my brother. Oh, he's here. We're here to see.
Good day, my friend. Sir, good day. I'm Detective Henry and this is Detective Jude. We are from the force headquarters.
Okay.
My prince, we are sorry to tell you that your father is dead.
What? What? You said whose father?
Your father is dead.
Oh, are you sure?
We saw your father's car and another car by the side, which we assume is the culprit's car. And inside the car, we saw this document. We think it belongs to one of the murderers.
Are you sure it's my father?
Yes,
Think. How?
Sebastian. Sebastian!
What is it? Oh God. These are my car papers. Where did you find them? What happened?
Come on. You are pretending like you don't know.
I don't know anything about it.
But you don't know.
I swear
You killed excuse me. I didn't kill anybody. You didn't feel like
I don't know anything about it.
Allow the world to take it all.
I don't know anything about this thing.
Shut up.
My car broke down on the way and I took Okada to this place.
You killed my dad.
I don't know anything about this, my princess. I was there before with you now.
Mr. Man, you have to come with us to the station. Officer, I don't know. Move it now. Whatever you say here will be used against you at the long court.
My princess, tell them I came.
Move right now. Where about your dad?
Sebastian, pick my call. Sebastian, you are looking for my trouble now. Pick my call, oh.
Give me peace. The only thing I want from you is correct.
You're still here. This one your face is like this. What happened?
Is it not Sebastian? Is it not Sebastian? No, why will he off his phone? If not that he has gone to see that side chick of his. Why will he off his phone? Poor, you know that you're poor, you're still pursuing woman. How?
Did he tell you he went to see a side chick?
Must he tell me? Must he tell me? His actions are already saying it. Why will Sebastian off his phone now? Somebody that went to work, why will he off your phone?
Don't you think his battery is flat? Or maybe he's busy at the office?
Which flat? His battery is not flat. I'm sure that Sebastian off his phone. Because I called him. He offed his phone and I called the office. They said he came in and hurriedly left. Hurriedly left to where? If not side chick, maybe that girl has called him to bring money. He want to go and spend the whole money he made today on that girl.
Calm down. I don't want to say anything, no. Before you chase me out again. I brought market for you. Patronize me shop now.
I hope it's not China.
China. This is talking now. Don't sell nonsense. You love this one. Trust
This
me.
one gown now be waiting.
This gown.
If you not bring all this sexy gown, let me know if it's what Sebastian will see and come back.
Sexy, man. This one.
Mama, check me out. Look at me. How do I look, Mama? I'm tantalicious, right?
What?
Tantalicious.
Please wait. Who are you going to say?
To Paris.
To the palace?
Of course.
But don't you have another plot to wear? Must you go out with this Papa Dash me, that palace?
Mama, is there no other clothes better than this one? Check his cinema out and his swag and everything. Mama. But let's see who Masakina Mokwiva. Check his height of 100%. What can I baby? Check his name. Okay? Oh, dear. Shawan, you. Mala. Keep it up. Is it again? Again. Oh, dear. Mama, you are the best. You will go.
Someday, we'll be there.
Come on now. Mama, don't stab it, man. Let them go come in. Mama, you are the best, Mama. I love you. Love you so much, Mama. Mama.
What is all this? Hey! You can make a talk when I'm on one.
Officer, what's going on? I don't understand. How can you just arrest somebody and bring to your station without telling him what he has done? What have I done?
You don't know what you did.
No! That you and your co-travelers killed an innocent man. You don't know about it.
Did you say kill? Killed?
Yes.
God forbid bad thing. I'm not a murderer or officer. I've never killed anybody in my life. I swear to Almighty God. If that is why you brought me here, then you are wrong, bro.
What are you saying? I'm wrong. Okay, you're not a murderer. You're a father.
Officer, I've not killed anybody before. I need to call my wife. I need to tell her what is going on so that she can maybe witness.
You want to call your wife?
Yes. What that rakwa? God forbid bad thing. Oh. Sorry, officer, my airtime has finished.
Okay.
Okay, watch. 060-4262-8454.
Who is this?
Hello? Hello? Am I on to Sebastian's wife?
Yes, any problem?
Okay, this is Detective Henry. I'm calling from the force headquarters. Your husband is here with us. Hello? Hello? What you say this is your wife's number?
Yes, that's her number. What did she say?
So you played pranks with me so that your co-travelers will run away after killing an innocent man, right?
I swear to God, officer, I did not kill anybody. You are confusing me with another person. I don't know what you're talking about.
I am not confusing you with another person. You did it. What are you trying to do? Cover up.
I did not do anything. Believe me. I am innocent.
Hold on. Hello? Okay. Yes, I will be there. I'm coming right away. Don't worry, you know what you did.
Officer, wait. Are you leaving me? Officer, are you going away? I don't know what is going on. What is happening? I don't know anything about this now. Officer!
Hey! I said it. I said it. Every day is for one day is for the Now they are calling me. Who knows if that side chick is dead? Hey, Sebastian, I put a cool way out. Pull up and pull up to me.
You see, when your ways are right with the ancestors, all you see all the time are wonderful things. That's true. So you see how impressed I am that I, as a father, and as a king of this kingdom, I'm so impressed that you have developed a computer program that is capable of solving a decade-old problem. Can you imagine that? Who am I? Son, I am impressed.
Thank you, Dad.
the thing is that without you, I wouldn't have achieved any of this at all. You have done all that you could. You've supported me in all ramifications, financially, morally, in fact, in every ramification. You deserve to be a proud dad.
Yes. Yes, I know I have to. But then, I wasn't the only father that had to send his child abroad. Some would get there and start to club, run after women. Some get into criminality. Yet, my own son, who knows that he is a future king of this great kingdom, decided to put himself in a condition, in an atmosphere of greatness.
That's good. That's good.
That's the truth. And so, don't just say it's a luck or proud or something. No, I'm more than proud.
But I needed to. Because I know who my dad is. I know if I mess up, oh my God, my dad is going to chase me out of this kingdom.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dad.
When we get very strict with our children, they misunderstand the fact that it is meant for their greatness tomorrow. They begin to say, Daddy hates me, Mommy loves me more, and the rest.
Now I know.
Was I with you overseas? No. So, I wasn't with you. You knew what took you there. You had your dream. You had your aspiration. And as a young man, you were goaded by the fact that you needed to separate yourself from every societal vices. Of course, you knew you were going to be the heir of this great
yes.
Son?
Your advice, Dad. Your advice did a lot. Made a lot of difference. It keep ringing. Like,
yeah,
son, you have to make me proud and all that. So I never stopped.
I'll make it up to you.
I'm looking forward to that, Dad.
You want a Jeep or just a car? Whichever.
Something different. I'll tell you that later.
So?
No, I better tell you now that
you're so excited. That I am excited.
I want a Jeep, a specific one.
Are you sure
GS 470. No, 570. I know you can afford that.
Okay.
What happened? Oh no. Hey, His Majesty, our king, is no more.
How? When?
Wait, who told you? Oh no, I cannot answer that question now. We need to go to the palace.
Okay. Hey, what?
Oh no.
The great Inokotri has fallen. Let's go. Let's go. Enokwa.
So you, that my dad employee, you had the guts to kill my dad. I am innocent. Shut the fuck up!
I swear to God, I don't know about this. I did not kill anybody. I did not hurt anybody. Yes, I came to the palace. The princess...
Shut up! So you kept this information away from us. Now see your motives.
I'm innocent.
Shut up.
I swear to
Shut
God.
up, shut up. I don't want to do something stupid. Shut up. Detective, I want everyone involved in this, including all his partners and gang, friends, and anyone that you suspect, I want them to be found and prosecuted. Mr. Innocent, when the time comes, you will feel everything.
I'm innocent, I swear.
Stop telling me you're innocent. I'm trying to behave myself. Stop telling me you're innocent. I knew there was something about you with this young man. Everybody should be dealt with. Detective, I trust your word. Everybody should be dealt with. You're innocent. You had the guts to kill your employer. You will get the Miami Heat soon.
Officer,
Hey, quiet! Quiet!
Hey!
Why don't you say something? Is the throne in danger? Please tell me. What did you see?
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't stand your old bones here and tell me you saw nothing. The king is dead. Tell me, is the throne in danger?
Only a fool enters the river with both feet.
Speak to me. You don't speak to me in parables nor idioms. The king is dead. The polity is upturned. I am desperate. Please tell me what you see.
A chattering bird builds no nest. Go home, my queen. We are done here.
Okay, what do you believe?
The truth is, I don't know what else to believe. But come to think about it, what does it stand to gain for killing my father?
What if he was contracted by one of your father's enemies?
My father does not have enemies. He was a wonderful man.
You cannot just sit here and conclude, sweetheart. Your father was a businessman before becoming the king. You never can tell whose ego was bruised in his journey to the top.
Not my father.
Oh. Okay. So tell me, what are you going to do?
I will just wait for the police to finish their investigations.
How can you be like that stupid? Eh? Oh, so police called you film, and the next thing you jump into the bus and you're home. Eh? Who is going to bail your husband?
Isabel. Eh? Isabel. So you want me to jump the bus and enter inside bush? What are you even talking about? Is it that you have not been listening to what I said inside? Mama, I said the police caught my husband, that his lover died in the hotel room. Now hotel room, oh, and you want me to go and bail him? You should be thanking God for me now that he got what he deserved.
Did the police tell you that? Police, when they called you, did they tell you that?
Mama, I don't have uburu okay now. Add him sharp. I would add him sharp. Immediately they called me on phone and said, are you the husband and wife to this person? Immediately, calculate my nose so plus wire. Man or yemen. I know that was what happened now.
Sandra. I never raised you this way. Sandra, do you know that you are very stupid? Look at you. So because you are suspecting your husband of cheating, that's why you want to crucify him. In fact, you've crucified him. Eh?
Ma, you're insulting me. You're insulting me.
My friend, just go back and go and bury your husband. Or say insulting.
Ma?
Or you make insult.
I should go and bury him. Mama, let me tell you something. Hi. Sandra does not like insult. Sandra came back to her father's house to enjoy, to be pampered. I don't like insult though. I came here to rest. I did not come here to all this to be hearing all this. If you want to go and bury somebody, go to the police station and bury him there.
You want my now? I'm gonna give you a tough one. Yeah, again, I joy hair car. Again, with the area. So what the
My fellow brothers, something terrible has happened to us. An Iroko has fallen. Our defender, a good man, is gone. How would I have known that the last call he called me is going to be the last? Huh?
My father was full of life. How could someone snuff out his life? All I could imagine now, all I could think of is the excruciating pain my father must have passed through.
Prince Chidoka.
I'm innocent. They are trying to pin this man's death on me.
I already seen that. And how about your wife?
We've been trying to reach her. They have also been trying to reach her. She picked her call once and ended it, and ever since then she's not been taking her calls.
That is strange. But don't worry, my friend, I'll get a lawyer on this case, okay?
Oh, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Meanwhile, I'll also love if you go to my house and at least help me check up on my wife to be sure she's fine.
Of course, I'll do that. I'll do that. That's not a problem. Just be strong, eh? Be strong, my friend. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You must take heart and be consoled with the fact that your father lived a successful life and raised a son like you that will take after him as our king. Yes, my brothers. We have to be strong for the whole of us and your family. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. And we are saddened by his demise. So take heart. Be strong.
We must start a plan for the last offer and presentation of him.
Of course. Of course.
Because we're not going to leave our throne vacant.
It's not done. It's not done.
So, I'm not kind of huh?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
I have no hand in his death.
Trust me, I've been trying so hard. I've been trying so hard to do so. But I can't place my hand on it. I don't understand.
All you need to do, my princess, is to tell them your own side of the story.
What story?
They don't believe you called me the day I came to the palace, the day your father died. Tell them the truth. I'm begging you, please. You will tell them, right? Just tell them what happened that day. That is all they need to know, that I'm my princess. My princess, tell them. My princess, you know the truth. You and I know the truth here now. them, right?
Don't tell me it's when you told me about the phone. Don't try to listen to him.
But I did call him.
Don't try to meddle in the investigation. What is your own self? Eh? But is it because he was shedding one crocodile tears? That is why you're on his side. See, your father is dead all because of him.
We might just be penalizing an innocent.
Princess Jane!
What? What is it? Excuse me.
Princess Jane.
Sandra! Sandra! Sandra!
Bros, where they find?
My brother. Please, where is Sandra?
Sandra?
Yes.
Any problem?
No, there's no problem. There's actually a problem. I'm here to tell her that my friend, her husband has been arrested.
A good man.
Yeah, my brother, please, it's a long story. Where is she? Do you know where she is?
Since 2 days now, this door is locked.
Really?
Yes.
Where might she be?
I don't know.
Sandra! Fuck, okay, my brother. Thanks, eh?
What? When did she say this?
A while ago. I want justice for your father. I want justice for the king. That guy needs to pay. And for your sister, I think she likes that guy. She's in love with that guy, I know.
She better not try to stand on my way at all. At all, if not. Because one thing I know for sure is that boy must pay. He's a criminal and he must pay for his crimes.
I trust you. I support you with my full chest. I trust you, my prince.
Anyway, that's not a problem. I know what to do, so isn't it? Is there any other information?
No, my prince.
Okay. It's okay. We don't know what to do about that. Yes,
So now your daughter is at home safely, isn't it?
Yes, but I do not like it. My daughter is selfish. Nanye, I do not know what has come over her. I will not abandon my husband even if he was caught stealing. Do you know why I am angry? My daughter did not bother to go to that police station and find out what the problem is.
That's all right, it's okay. In fact, I am happy you decided to come and tell me this event. I will take it up from here now. Eh? Thank you very much.
Biko, don't be angry.
No problem. No problem at all, my lord. It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
I will start going.
It's all right.
Yes,
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Be careful as you go.
I will.
Stay well.
Papa, you always know how to get good palm wine.
No, my boy is still there.
So, meet Sandra. My fiancée, she's the love of my life. The one I want to get married to. I brought her to introduce to you.
Papa, good afternoon.
You're welcome, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. You're very much welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
You like it? Thank you. So, Papa, how have you been now? How is the village and your health? Papa, I don't understand what you're talking about. But all I know is that she's the one I love and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. That's all that matters, and I love her.
My son, truth should be in love, and love in truth.
And what does that mean?
That girl is not meant for you, can't you see? In fact, she will ruin your life if you eventually get her.
Papa, how do you come to this conclusion? What do you even know about her? How can you just sit down here and castigate somebody you don't know anything about? Do you know how long we've been together? Do you know her character? I love her and I want to marry her. I think your loneliness in the village is getting out of hand. It's about time we got you another wife so that at least you get busy and not being a...
That's what you think?
Hey, see that? Babe. No. I hope you found the place.
Yes.
All right. Papa and I were just catching up on old times.
Oh, okay, without me.
Sorry, now that you're here.
Okay.
My son, I warned you. Now the Ongugu has unveiled itself. You can imagine. It's okay.
You don't have to condemn him. He might be innocent.
Young man that killed our father might be innocent. Excuse me. Wait a minute. Are you in line with women? Are you trying to elope with him?
Do not disrespect me. Else, I will ask the judge to transfer him to a more secured location.
You dare not defy me. You can't. You won't even try it. You will not try it. I dare you. Do not take my kindness and calmness as weakness. Do not take it for weakness at all. Don't try it. Do not even think about it.
For the avoidance of doubt, you spent almost all your life outside the shores of this country, for which I know the nooks and crannies. I will run you over if you do not respect boundaries.
I dare you. Dare me.
Mama, why now? Why now? Did I send you a message?
What is it?
Mama, why do you like showing yourself? Tell me, why did you like showing? Why did you go and report me to Sebastian's father? Why did you report me?
Sandra,
Mama,
what your mother, see sitting down. If you like, climb the tallest iroko tree. You will not see it. Sebastian is your husband. And if anything happens to him, you will be held responsible for it.
Why now? No, for what? Why will I be held responsible? Am I the one that sent him to have a side chick? Or am I the one that sent him to kill the side chick? Which one did I send him to do? Mama, it's like you don't understand. Do you know, that woman used to call my husband at the middle of the night. Sebastian will sneak out to go and see her. I want me to go. Mama.
Nobody will ask you all these questions when the time comes. So you better start looking for this black goat when it's daytime. Start looking for it, because if night falls, Mama, there's no black goat. Where is she going? Hey, come back! Come out from that house! Hey, this house will not contain both of us. So better come back and go to your husband's house. Sandra! Hey! Make una dey hear am. Make una dey hear my voice. Sandra, only amamba muna go.
Where is the love you promised me? Take it easy on me.
What?
Nothing, just wild thoughts.
Do you mind sharing with me?
What if Sebastian is truly innocent? What if he's just a victim of circumstance? I don't know, it's been going through my head.
I do not agree with you. I had words with your brother, and all the evidence point at Sebastian. It's not left for the police to do their job and know the reason for his actions. The police needs to do their job.
A crime committed. Something is wrong. People are fake. Who will tell us the truth?
Oh, Mama, stop now, stop. Stop disturbing me. I told you that I'm not hungry. Stop disturbing me.
Yeah. Why you do not eat the food I kept in the house?
So after eating now, you start insulting me that I don't have job. Okay? You say, come on, no, Mama, I don't want to eat. Leave me alone now. Leave me. I want to think, Mama.
No. My son, see. You have to eat something. Yeah? You can always go back to the palace. Yes. So you're the one that ran away from the police. Eh? You try and try again. Yes. Okay? Now. Go and eat, okay? Open it, my son. Now go and eat, okay? Let me eat. I'm going to go belly one tinty.
How do you do? What happened? I don't know, Papa. They said I killed somebody, but I'm innocent. I did not do it.
That's, I know, I'm sure.
You do?
You see, you don't worry. I am going to make sure you are released.
Thank you, Papa. I swear to God, I don't know anything about it. I did not kill anybody. You know I cannot do it like that.
Believe me, my son, don't worry. You are going to be out soon. I'm working on that.
Princess, I cannot believe you have to stand up to your brother because of this. This is just...
Hold it. Helen, it will be in our own interest to contain the boundaries of our relationship. You are my friend and not my father's daughter.
Both...
I know you've been talking to my brother. I don't have a problem with that. But I don't want you telling me how to contain or solve the problem of my family. Do you understand?
Okay.
Good.
What are you doing in this village?
I don't understand that question. Is it that you did not understand what I said earlier or you did not hear me?
Sandra, you were not making any sense.
Yes. Don't insult me. Let me make sense to you. I said that Sebastian killed his side chick in the hotel room and police people arrested him. He's in jail now.
Sandra, you know you're making this up, right? Yes. You're always accusing your husband of cheating. But on this particular one, Sandra, you lie. It's a lie, see?
Like I care. No, can't you move on like I care?
Sandra. Sandra! Eh? How many times did I call you? Very good. You need to go to that police station and bail your husband. After all, you're his helpmate.
No, Maja. It goes fine. God forbid. I can never be a helper to that papa.
Are you okay?
Yes.
I don't think so.
My husband is dope. Are you not seeing his guraka? Did you come all the way from city to come and insult me?
Sandra, this is too much. This is too much.
Ah, my baby is here.
Your baby.
Hey, baby girl, what's
Oh,
up?
baby. I'm fine. What happened? You came too late. What
I'm
happened?
sorry, but I've got a surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Sure.
Hey, Mama. Please don't lock door. Don't lock door.
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the
Nneka.
Tell me that was a dream.
What do you want me to say? Nneka, can you feature Kampu? Eh? Can you feature Kampu? Ay! Sandra, onye megi for Mande Natalia Namma.
You see?
Mande Natalia Namma.
This is too much.
Hey!
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Nneka.
Mama. It's okay.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Yes.
First of all, I will want to console you and your family for the death of your dear father. May you find the fortitude to bear the loss.
Thank you. Meanwhile, what's your objective? Is there any reason you're here? Is there something?
You see, I am here in respect of my son who is in the police custody. He was accused of killing your father. Though the police do not have any single evidence to prove that he was at the scene of the crime. So I've come to plead for his release.
You came to plead for his release. You know, you sounded like a learned man, but in all, your speech depicts stupidity. I should release a man that killed the king of this kingdom, my father. I should release him. Go and release him. Chidoka, how dare you address me on my first name basis? Have you lost your senses? Do you know who you're standing with? Huh? You know what? I think you've exhausted your time here in the palace. Leave. I said leave! Release your son, father of a criminal.
Something is wrong.
It's okay.
People are fake. Who will tell us the truth?
Son, what is the matter? You look troubled.
Nothing.
Nothing. How can you say nothing when worry is written all over your face? Meaning all is not well.
Mom, nothing. At least nothing to worry about.
Really? It's all right. So tell me, how did it go? When did the Council of Elders decide on your father's last ofala and burial? Since nothing is worrying you.
They said it will be held after the presentation at my presentation at the movie.
Life is in phases. I cannot believe your father is dead and gone.
Mom, please, not now. Please, not now. Mom, please, not now.
There was a crime committed, a crime committed.
Papa, am I the one that you're bringing that 20,000 naira for? Hey, Jesus. Are you giving me 20,000 naira?
I'm giving you 20,000, of course.
After the whole turning. Papa, don't fire you. Don't fire you. If you know what to school, just do it. I don't want to argue with you. If you know what to school, just do it. I don't want to argue with you.
Don't even make more noise because you don't even know who I am. Like for real.
Who are you? Yo, who are you? Oh, Bobo, with all this bling that you're wearing that is not even original. It's not. Okay, give me.
Okay, what are you doing?
Okay, give me this money. Give me this.
I
Yeah, you have
poverty,
problem.
like poverty is really.
You, it's your father that is poor. It's your entire generation that is poor.
See,
you want
your
to beat
family
me?
have more than 20,000.
No, you down now. I can take you to sleep. Come, let me give you Bruce Lee.
Please.
Okay, come here, my friend.
Okay, leave me. I gave you 20,000, you're not happy. Poor woman like you. See, your full generation does not
Don't fire you! Don't fire you!
Don't
fire you!
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know. It is
Who knows where she's coming from? Hey!
whoever did this to my daughter, it shall never be well with you. Hey!
How can I be made to pay for another person's sins?
The truth will always prevail. You see, no matter what happens, the truth always wins.
Not in this circumstance. I don't know what's going on. Look at me. Since I was arrested, my wife has not even come to visit me. Papa, have you seen or heard from her?
My son, are you sure you want to hear the truth?
I don't think I can handle whatever it is you want to tell me now. I should have listened to you from the onset.
Anyway, I have arranged with a woman outside the station to always bring you food.
You have to bother, Papa. I have lost my appetite.
No, son. You do not need to starve yourself to death. There is need for you to stay alive. Toby, witness this whole matter. Please.
My prince, in line with our tradition, your tradition fast begins this evening. During the period of this fast, you will not eat from any woman's pot. For the 3 days, you will not take your bath. Finally, you will wash your face and your feet with a coconut water. And Enoch has been engaged to see to your food. My prince, do you have any question?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
I wish you good luck as you commune with our ancestors.
Thank you.
Sandra, my daughter. What has come over you? Sandra, I raised you very well. I don't know where this your new behavior, where you got them from.
Mama, no, tell me, what's the color of your problem? Why are you drinking Panadol for another person's headache? Ogini, now, what is it now?
Sandra, Sebastian, your husband. How can you allow your husband to be rotting in the prison and you are here in the village gallivanting and enjoying yourself? How?
Let me reserve my comment.
Mbao, say that your comment. Say it. Please. Let us hear that your comment.
You know the truth is bitter.
Say it.
I will say it, oh.
Sandra, say it.
Okay, Mama, first of all, when this guy came to marry me, you know I did not like him. You are the one that forced me to marry him. Are you not the one that forced me to marry him?
Chimo, I never forced you. Hey, I only told you that he is a promising young man with a very bright future. And that was what I saw in him.
Hey, Jesus, Mama. You see where the bright future has landed him? It's like in prison. And his future is brightening inside the future now. By now, those people now, they've arranged his system, his skin, his body. But now, if don't they one side.
Hey, Sandra.
Mama.
God. Sandra. Sandra. Sandra.
Mama.
I called you how many times? How many times did I call you? Ubolito? 3 times. Sandra. Okay.
Try help yourself. Makopuku kamaduja try fedana na million. Tomorrow go better. Tomorrow hustle no deki. Hustle no deki. Don't lose hope in life. Your future is bright. You don't know what God has prepared for you. don't lose hope. Tomorrow go better. Hustle no dey kill. Hustle no dey kill. I no gonna kill. I no.
Douglas, honestly, I cannot thank you enough for your efforts at seeing that I get out of that place.
Don't mention it, my brother.
Thank
Don't
you.
mention it at
Thank
all.
you.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
Meanwhile, your father here, he has done a lot to get you out of that dungeon.
Thank you, Papa.
What you need to do is to keep out of trouble.
I definitely will.
Understand?
I definitely will.
Thank you, Papa.
Well, my son, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
I appreciate it.
So why don't we go inside so you can have some
No,
drink at
no,
least?
no. I have to run. I've got somewhere to be, eh? So, I'll come around next time.
All right,
Okay.
I'll give you a call then.
Be careful, eh? Thank you, sir.
Papa, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. You always have my back.
Well, why am I having you as my son?
Let's go inside.
Badata, deje, none, hey, none, none. My son, today you will join the lineage of kings of Osala. And this is the authority of Osala, the Ofo. It is what you will use as an authority over Osala and her people. So go ahead and begin. I say go ahead and begin. I do not understand. I did what you asked me to do. Hope you did not break the fast. I did not. I did exactly what he asked me to do. You observed it? I observed it! What is it?
That's because he's not the true heir to the throne of Osala.
Who are you?
Sebastian, pick the offer.
That's not possible.
Shut up. I say pick the offer. Take it.
And where have you been all this while?
That is an explanation that is needed by everyone.
My prince, you look so worried. Can you tell me what troubles you, my prince?
No one can fully tell what goes on in a man's heart, my friend. My father planned to name my brother his heir.
No. No, my prince. You are the eldest of your father and the true heir to the throne.
He doesn't share his idea with anybody. He considers Uduka more favorable. According to him, he is more successful and calmer than myself. Now tell me, my good friend, am I useless?
No, my prince. Believe you me, if that you have same opportunity as Udoka, things would have been more different and even more better. You are not useless.
Thank you for your honesty.
What can I do?
I want you to make my problem disappear.
Okay, my prince. I will do just as you said. I will do exactly as you said, my prince.
Ha, Wandem. Where have you been? I have searched all over for you.
What do you care?
Ha. We are brothers. Oh wait. Is it about father's announcement? You should come off it. You know it doesn't mean what he said. You are the heir.
And how do you know that? Listen. I am not bothered about father naming you his heir. After all, you're his favorite. Excuse me.
Please don't kill me, please, I'm begging you. Please don't kill me, I may not see mother, please. Please don't kill me, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please don't kill me.
Brother, I think we should live above father's announcement and keep living as brothers, like we used to. There's no peace in this house. You are my elder brother. You shouldn't be fighting.
Never!
This is preposterous.
You guys have connived with this man to take my throne. You guys have connived with this man to take my throne from me. If you guys think in any manner that this is going to be a reality, then you guys must have had a brain laceration. I swear to God. If you guys do not leave my palace now, I mean everybody, including the chief priest and you, these men, red caps, I don't know. Everybody out of my palace. I mean everybody, and you. You're out of my palace. I say everybody out of my palace. Chief priest, I don't know what to lose my mind now. Everybody out of my palace right now.
Damn it. Murderer! Murderer! That's who you are. How could you be this heartless? How were you able to live with yourself? To think I never knew I've been living with a killer all these years?
I was earning a living.
You murdered my parents.
Son, you see, I let you live. You think it's easy for me watching you grow? I was battling within myself on how to tell you the truth as well.
But you did not. You kept it to yourself. How could you? You killed innocent people. How could you? How could you kill people that did nothing to you? My poor grandfather and my parents, I know how much they must have pleaded with you.
So, what happened in the past, I know. And we cannot bring back what happened there. But as soon as I held you in my arms, something changed in my life. You brought peace and sense of direction to my life. Please, son, try to help me.
Don't you touch me with those bloody hands. You have no right to anybody's life.
Son, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because you bared your fall in your hands.
I'm sure this was exactly the same way they pleaded with you. I cursed the day you were born.
So, please, remember you called me father.
That's a name meant for men with integrity. As for you, you're a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Living with a murderer, what the web. Living with an enemy, and this world is terrible.
A missing prince. I can't believe this. How is this even possible?
Well, this is how we saw it.
Could it be that? No. No. There must have been a mix-up somewhere. Or wait though. Or maybe he got closer to bribe the kingmakers.
Bribe who? That's not even possible.
Not in this our country, oh. Not in this our country. Anything can be possible. Eh? Wait, so what are you going to do now? Are you going to allow the diners to leave your family just like that? You had better do something. Do something and do it fast. Fast, oh. Better do something. As fast as you can. As fast. Fast.
Hello?
I don't know what's going on in this country. Yeah? Problem everywhere.
The gods have spoken. It is left for us now to do the needful. And I don't put you frowning me at the next.
You will see that one.
Who will tell us the truth? I'm a king. Am I a king?
The news is all over the place. Eh? It happens that the Sebastian, my in-law, was born into royalty. In fact, the throne belongs to him.
Hi! Baba, you have not given me news, but this one, premium news. Hey, Baba! Look at me. Your daughter, Sandra, the next queen of Okofia Kingdom. Okolo Kalisia. Mummy, Nigodinum. Hey!
Menebe. Okwara gị ọkwara gị gwogwo ọkwasasịrị gị ọkwala gị lekwe ntọọ gị agwara m gị agwa.
Mama, start addressing me as queen, because that time I'm not allowed
because
to
this is n'ụzọ. Queen.
Queen Sandra, all hail her majesty. Hey, Mama, I don't even know that I have my husband in my past. Let me call him. Hello, darling. Hello, my darling husband. Maybe it's network. Come back. Let me start doing my practice. You get me glass of wine, champagne preferably. Yes. Okay. It's sweet, go sweet though. Your Highness, are you talking to me? Mama, you have to start addressing me as Queen Sandra now, because that time I wasn't even allowed inside the palace. You don't even smell the gate. Start addressing me as queen and start giving me all those queen treatment though. Oh, I need to call him Neka. Neka, hear this one.
Take a wild guess.
She must have heard the news, eh? women like Sandra, the only language they understand is money and comfort. Eh?
She's the least of my problems.
Anyways, so how are you coping?
Honestly, I feel betrayed. To think I've been living in the same house with my parents' murderers.
Friends, you know, right now what you need to do is try to take everything that belongs to your father as the head. You understand? A lot of people depend on that.
That's what I'm doing. Alright, let's run along.
Princess, are you saying that your father wasn't supposed to be the king?
That is what they said. But my brother thinks it's a lie and all cooked up stories. He's been breathing fire and brimstone. I'm scared. I don't know what his actions will be.
And what about you? What do you think?
I don't know what to think. I am confused.
Young man, I don't remember at all at any point inviting you to this palace.
I need no invitation to come to my palace, as it rightfully belongs to my father.
You must be very delusional. Seriously, you need a neurological and mental health assessment. I swear to God. Look at you.
Prince Chidoka.
Yes.
He is not alone. And he can never be alone. I stand with him.
You stand with him?
Yes.
Then get ready to be crushed. You guys will feel my wrath. Let me tell you something. These guys are going to deceive you and they are going to lead you to a serious regret. Better go back to whatever you've been doing before. If you think this throne, you can take it from me, then you are really dreaming.
The last time I checked, you left your husband to rot in the prison. Why are you calling him?
No, you should just keep his phone.
Sunday, what is it? Are you okay?
Mama, this headache, I'm feeling constant headache and my body is spinning me.
Is you? Sandra, tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, so that Netiti cannot be pregnant too. Me, I'm not pregnant. Now. Does one get pregnant by drinking a cup of water?
Sandra, do you think I am a child? Eh? Who is responsible?
Mama, I'm pregnant now.
You're not pregnant. You're not pregnant. Okay, we shall find out. Akwidirime.
These fools dares to to conspire to steal my crown.
How can it be? It is not possible. Who is that man? I don't even know who that man is. But how did they lie against your father and you know? Why?
I bet you that criminal bribed his way through and manipulated the system with that old fool.
Mother, this is daylight robbery. There is no way we're going to allow some enemy come and steal our dynasty.
No.
I'm happy you're thinking in this direction. For once.
Mom, you people are just disturbing yourself. That is going to be in their dream. They think they know how to play the game. I will show them that I, Prince Chidoka, am the game master. I will tell them that I, the prince who has been overseas, I will show them what I'm made of. That I've played that game that they think they can play. I have played that game, Mama.
Helen, what are you even saying?
You know exactly what I am saying. You know exactly what I am saying. How can some persons come out of the blues to lay claims on what is not theirs?
Madam, please rest.
I know they rest. I am not going to rest. Okay. It's our friend we are talking about here.
Fine. You know what? Go and fight the kingmakers. At least that will give you a form of satisfaction. There was a witness and it has already been decided.
Decided by who? Auntie Joanne. Decided by whom?
Sebastian is going to be the king. And there is nothing you or anyone will do about it.
Never. Okay. Never. Sebastian will never be the king.
Okay. King's wife.
Now bad belle go kill you.
Please give me peace. Love more. Give me peace. I be ready now. The only thing I want from you is courage and prayers. Stop pushing me away.
Malicham. Abudu. My beautiful wife. Unyemo.
Hold your greetings. Hold your greetings, Sebastian. Where are you coming back from? And why didn't you pick my calls? Or do you want to tell me you did not see my calls? You try to bomb the phone on my calls. What the hell do you think you are to snub my calls?
Is that how you greet your husband who has had a long day at work?
Hey, Uchi, no now. I will bring you milk. See, maybe I'll add sardine inside it now. Eh? Why are you so irresponsible, Sebastian? Why? Always trying to intelligently change the topic. Why?
I don't have the time now, so just get out.
Where are you coming back from? You think you can win who you were from this one up here? Now this time around, where are you coming back from? Answer me now.
Why is it that every time I come back from a long day at work, you top it up with your nagging? Why?
Saba, I not nag. Oh, no now, increase your volume now. Why did you bring it down? So your wife is not a nagging wife from where? You've not answered me. If you want peace, tell me where you're going.
I don't know, Zakamba.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Answer me, you enter. KBC, where are you coming back from? That means that, oh, how about in jail now? No, I on generator. Where are you coming back from? Sanu now, answer me. Where are you coming back from? Am I not a human being standing here? Or you think you don't have any right to tell me where you're coming back from? Eh? I'm Ekwensu. So you want the neighbors to hear my voice now and they'll come and start saying this woman is only shouting. It's you that is causing this now. Oh. They should come and hear me. Oh. Tell me where you're coming back from and you enter inside. Close your mouth. I'm not Ekwensu. Tell me where you're coming back from.
Good morning, dear. I'm off to work. Why is the door locked?
So, Sebastian, you think you can wake up in the morning and leave the house without giving me money for food? If you want to go to work, give me money for food.
Why do you like issues? I already told you we have not been paid our salary. And the only money I have at hand is to settle the mechanics so we can be mobile again.
Wait. So that car, that your jalopy, that gura is more important than I am. No, tell me, all the car. Wait, that jalopy, that gura keep. So all the important.
You want the truth?
Yes, Sebastian. Tell me the truth. That car or your wife?
That car. Yes. What else are you good at? What do you bring to the table? Aside lying down all day watching TV and consuming all the food in this house. And then at night you snore away your life. Gineka. You are just not useful for anything. Yet you nag and pressure my life. Let me open the door and go to work.
If you finish running your mouth like that, you give me money for food.
Name that key.
The only thing I want from you is courage and prayers. Stop pushing me away from you. Tell me more, where is the love you promised me?
I don't want to You will leave your house for me to come and eat now. Your house is food.
All because of your nagging. What do you want me to do? I know myself. I can't cheat on you, baby. I know myself. I know myself. I can't cheat on you, baby. You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know.
No. Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. A married man is coming back to his house. Abi is sneaking back to his house. Are you done running? No, are you done running? I did not sleep because I want to give you war. Shege Banza, that is why I'm waiting for you. I'm here to give you Shege Banza. Are you done running? What, Anna?
What have I done to you? Why is it that a man will work all day long and want to come back to a warm bed and a good meal, and you will come with your nagging? That's why I left the bedroom for you, because I tried and came to the living room to lie down. Yet you found me out.
What's a good meal? So you expected me to cook? Cook with what? No, answer me. Cook with what? You ran out in the morning. Did you give me money? No, answer me. Did you give me money? I'm talking you're sleeping, my friend. I've declared war. Ogunangwa. Let's do it. Welcome back. War! Let's do it. Wake up!
Chineke, if you go my email, if you go the tea in my life, if you are the mafia, or the phone man.
So you're saying I'm a mad woman? Yes, I'm a very mad person. The one that is raving mad, that is walking. The only thing that is meant for me now is to roam around the streets. Wake up! War! Then, oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah, let's get mad together. Wake up! You will not sleep, oh. You will not sleep, oh. You get him wanna stand up, oh. That's it.
Why? Are you a witch? Yes. Holy Ghost fire!
Please give me peace.
I'm talking to you. Papa, am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you?
And I cried and shouted.
You want to go and meet Okoya? Okoya, you want to go and meet her? Let's watch the car. Let's watch the car now. Let's watch the car now. Shebi, you want to go and say, let me also watch you. Let me watch you so you go and see her.
And I heard a voice.
You promised me.
I'm sleeping, oh. I'm sleeping. I want to sleep.
What do you want me to do right now?
Sandra, you're giving your husband a bad time. Yes. We are the ones who chase our men away from us.
Nika, don't tell me anything about bad times because you're not the one in my shoes. If you're the one in my shoes, you will know how painful it is. My prayer is that one day God will disgrace my husband and that his side chick.
Sandra, how can God disgrace someone who goes out in the morning to his working place? I think these are all illusion in your head. Yes.
Illusion in my head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I accept. You will stay here and you will see it. God will disgrace both of them. Because it's that side chick that is making my husband not to desire my body again. Makachuku.
You think so? Don't you think it's your attitude that makes him not to find you attractive anymore?
Chikwa, hold up. What is happening?
I'm telling you the truth.
No, Nika, what is happening? Because today, 1 second you're with me, the next minute you're with my husband. What is happening?
I have to tell you the truth now. Nothing but the truth.
What truth are you telling me? Wait, Nika. Are you the side chick?
What do you mean?
What I mean is that it's like you're the side chick. I'm here pursuing something that is outside. I don't know the thing is inside the house here.
Are you okay?
I am okay.
I don't think you are.
If you don't know what to say, shut your mouth up, pocket it inside your bag, or you get out of my house.
Are you asking me out?
I've told you.
You just calm down and stop nagging. Yes, you have to stop nagging. Yes, you're nagging too much.
Prayers, stop pushing me away from you. Take it, love me more.
Sebastian, pick my call. Sebastian, you are looking for my trouble now. Pick my call, oh.
Love, give me peace. The only thing I want from you is courage.
You're still here. This is why your face is like this. What happened?
Is it not Sebastian?
Zofa.
Is it not Sebastian? No, why will he off his phone? If not that he has gone to see that side chick of his. Why will he off his phone? Poor, you know that you're poor, you're still pursuing woman. How?
Did he tell you he went to see a side chick?
Must he tell me? Must he tell me? His actions are already saying it. Why will Sebastian off his phone now? Somebody that went to work, why will he off your phone?
Don't you think his battery is flat? Or maybe he's busy at the office.
Which flat? His battery is not flat. I'm sure that Sebastian off his phone. Because I called him. He offed his phone and I called the office. They said he came in and hurriedly left. Hurriedly left to where? If not side chick, maybe that girl has called him to bring money. He want to go and spend the whole money he made today on that girl.
Calm down. I don't want to say anything, no. Before you chase me out again. I brought market for you. Patronize me. Show up now.
I hope it's not China.
China. This is talking now. Don't sell nonsense. You love this one. Trust me.
This one gown I'll be waiting.
This gown.
If you not bring all this sexy gown, let me know if it's what Sebastian will see and come back.
You have changed. What has come over you? You are no longer the person I used to know. It is
Who knows where she's coming from? Hey! Whoever did this to my daughter, it shall never be well with you. Hey! The last time I checked, you left your husband to rot in the place. Why are you calling him? No, she just... Sunday, what is it? Are you okay?
This headache, I'm feeling constant headache. My body is spinning me.
It's you. Sandra, tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, so that Netiti cannot be pregnant too. Me, I'm not pregnant. Now. Does one get pregnant by drinking a cup of water?
Sandra, do you think I am a child? Eh? Who is responsible?
Mama, I'm not pregnant now.
You're not pregnant. You're not pregnant. Okay, we shall find out. Akwidirime.
Right now, do you want me to stay at home? All through checking your name, and your girl is what you love more. All because of jealousy from you. All because of insecurity. All because of your nagging. What do you want me to do? I know. Am I a king? I'm a king. Am I a king? In making, I'm a king. Someone tell me the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth. I'm a king. I want to know the truth.
No! Hey! No. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Hi. Honestly, today is a wonderful day in Ozara Kingdom. Ozara Kwenu? Yeah. Kwenu? Yeah. Rienu? Yeah. Nwono? Yeah. The gods are wise. They have decreed that today Ozara Kingdom will have a true king. Oh God, it is. So I'm
That will
here.
never happen. That will never happen. I'll see you jokers. What you do?
Shut up! Here to fulfill that task that my dad couldn't fulfill. Yes. You want to be the king. Good. And you... Hey, shut up!
What have you done? Shut up! Hey! And you, get up! What are you doing here? And let me go. Get out! I'll blow your fucking brain off. Get out! One! I give you 3 chances and I'll blow. What have you done? 1, 2, 3. What are you guys still doing there? I asked you guys to leave my compound. Right? Out of my compound. You punk. Useless idiots. The throne is mine. The throne is mine. This is my fucking throne.
That is if you make it out of jail.
You shut up.
I'll make sure that you rot in jail.
Shut up, you
murderer. You will rot in jail. I'll make sure of that.
My fucking throne. I'm not letting my throne up. I'm not letting my throne up. No. I'm not letting my throne up. I'm saying throne is fucking mine. This throne is fucking mine.
You have to bring down the gun.
This throne is mine.
Bring down the gun.
This throne is mine.
Put it down.
This throne is mine. No, my throne. This is my throne.
So we can settle this. Let's just settle this amicably. Bring it down.
Let's go. Please.
What's up? You are under arrest for murder, possession of firearm, and other illegal activities. You have the right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do here will be used against you at the law courts. And you have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, the state will provide one for you. Now move it. Just take him away. Move, murderer. Take him out of here. I will be back. You are not coming back. I will be back. You are not coming back. Gold diggers and deceptive fools. Take him away. I will be back. I will be back. I will be. Take him away. I will make sure you rot in jail. I will be back. I promise you, I will be back. I, Prince Chidok, I will be back.
Listen.
What? What is the problem, Ono?
No, nothing. Wait. Just calm down, my son. Huh? Who are you, please?
My name is Douglas. I'm Sebastian's friend. What is this about?
My son, it is important you answer this question. Or them back. Yeah?
What question, Ono?
Please, answer him. How did you get this mark on your hands?
It's like a birthmark. It's been there since I was born. What is the problem, Ono?
Oh, calm down, calm down. Please, who is your mother?
My mother?
Yes, what is your mother's name?
My mother's name? My mother's name is Chukwu Sum Echaka. What is this about? Can someone speak to me?
Hey!
What is happening, Ono?
Calm down.
I want you to say anything at all, Mama. Why didn't you say anything all these years?
Why do you want to go? I mean, no one is disturbing you. And my mother holds you with high esteem. So please stay back. Don't go.
My prince, I am pregnant.
Really? Why did you say something since? Why did you tell me? This is the reason you should not go. Please stay back, my love. Stay back.
My prince, that would be dangerous. Staying in a palace is not safe for me. As soon as my pregnancy starts to show, all hell might break loose.
And this palace is big enough to contain any hell. Like every of it.
My prince!
Relax. I will not let anything bad happen to you. Moreover, I will recommend that no maid duties is given to you anymore. Please stay back, my love. Don't go. Please stay back.
What you are going?
Sorry, my prince.
And where are you going in such a hurry?
My prince, I want to go and get something for the king.
I have noticed a lot of things going on in this palace, but I'm not bothered. It should be in case if anything happened to me and my husband. Please take care of my son, Sebastian. I beg you. And I know you are pregnant for my husband. I'm not coming after you. All I ask is for you to take care of my son. I beg you, please.
Yes, my princess.
Where's Sebastian? Where's Sebastian? Where?
Leave the boy alone.
Where's Sebastian?
He's dead.
My son, I thought there was no need.
I thought there was no need. And I've been growing up thinking Papa was my biological father. Wait, Mama, does he even know that he's not my father?
Yes, he knows. He only wanted to give you a home.
He knows. Wanted to give me a home. Mama, all this while, you couldn't say anything. It's not acceptable.
Mrs. J, you have to calm down. Calm down.
This is the most beautiful opportunity. A wonderful opportunity for us to claim what rightfully belongs to us. Our dynasty.
Mother!
Yes?
What are you even made of? Are you sure you have blood flowing through your veins?
Mm-hmm.
My brother killed someone and you're supporting him. Mother, are you not supposed to be the custodian of culture and tradition? What's wrong with you?
Your brother did the right thing. Unlike some cowards like you. I know why you're supporting him.
Oh, you think I don't know? You think I'll never find out you were in love with him and you were thinking he's going to make you his miserable queen. Unfortunately, he is dead and gone. Below the ground.
No! No! Princess Jane, you have to calm down. Shut up! Don't you tell me to calm down. Take it easy. Calm down. Shut up! Shut up! You know what? Just leave this place. Get out of this place. I said out! Sandra, just look at where your stubbornness has landed you. Eh? Sandra, no why you're Sandra Ju. Sandra now, really. Look at it. Look at your life. Look at you now. Hi.
I'm sorry. If you keep naming me like this, what do you want me to do? I know I messed up. I should have listened to you. Mama, before, no.
Sandra, I never raised you this way. I did not raise you this way. I don't know where you got that greed from. Oh God, Chicho, you know, look at your life. Look at how you ended your life. Ah, Chinekenda.
I don't know that we end up like this. You come out to come mad. I don't know that we end up like this now. Mama, stop blaming me. I didn't know that we end up like this. Mama, I want you to do something for me.
What?
Help me and call my friend Neka to come.
Hi. Hi.
Neka lezienu. Sandra Netieti. Sandra Netieti is HIV positive. I'm sorry. If I had listened to you, I wouldn't be going through this.
Sandra, I didn't know that your husband has changed like this way. I mean, He used to worship you now. The Sebastian you used to know is not the same Sebastian. I am suspecting that my husband is cheating on me. Yes. No, not Sebastian. Okay? Because we all know he loves you. And he used to spend on you back then in school. Or have you forgotten? What did you say? Back then in school. Thank you. Back then in school. This same clothes you're wearing now, were you wearing it back then in school? The Sebastian you're seeing now is not the Sebastian of yesterday. My husband has changed. Neka, my instinct has never failed me and will not start failing me today. I am sure, in fact, I'm convinced that that man is having an affair with another woman. This is serious. So what are you going to do? Because I know any man that doesn't spend on his wife has a girlfriend.
Who cares? But does it look like I care?
I don't care. Because I know that no woman in her right senses will fall for that my husband.
Stop it.
Out of phone is not funny. You fall for my husband with that his yellow picker.
My dear, forget.
You can't tell, my dear. Because girls are very desperate now. Extremely desperate. Their desperado cannot move them to Sebastian. Because Sebastian is too poor. Come on, stop now. You know girls of this, they know this now. They like flashy things. My husband cannot provide it for them.
Actually.
Cuckoo, if he wants, we'll break up now. Sure, divorce is not fun now. Either he leaves or I leave. It's not a do or die affair, marriage.
Iron lady. I trust you. Let me drink my cookie, please.
Drink, Jerry. Sorry, I did not buy you biscuits.
I still owe you.
Don't worry, next time I'll buy you biscuits.
Alright, I'm okay with this one.
What nonsense are you talking? How can you be like that stupid? Oh, so police called you film, and the next thing you jump into the bus and you're home. Who is going to bail your husband?
Isabel. So you want me to jump the bus and enter inside bush? What are you even talking about? Is it that you have not been listening to what I said inside? Mama, I said the police caught my husband that his lover died in the hotel room. Now hotel room, and you want me to go and bail him? You should be thanking God for me now that he got what he deserved.
Did the police tell you that? Police, when they called you, did they tell you that?
Mama, I don't have Uburu okay now. Add him sharp. I would add him sharp. Immediately they called me on phone and said, are you the husband and wife to this person? Immediately, calculate I know so close wire. Man or Yemen. I know that was what happened now.
Sandra. I never raised you this way. Sandra, do you know that you are very stupid? Look at you. So because you are suspecting your husband of cheating, that's why you want to crucify him. In fact, you've crucified him.
You're insulting me. You're insulting me.
My friend, just go back and go and bail your husband. Or say insulting. Or you make insult.
I should go and bail him. Mama, let me tell you something. Sandra does not like insult. Sandra came back to her father's house to enjoy, to be pampered. I don't like insult though. I came here to rest. I did not come here to all these things to be hearing all this. So if you want to go and bail somebody, go to the police station and bail him there.
Nna ha agwana gị ị na-eto afọ nwanyị ihe a gị na ajọ ọhịa karụ ị ga-enwetarịrị ya nsogbu adịghị.
It's okay. I've forgiven you. But I knew it wouldn't end well. It's okay. It's not the end of your life.
I heard about my husband.
Yes. I mean, your ex-husband, right? I know he's dead. Yes. But if you were to be by his side, he wouldn't have died.
Nika, what would I have done? Would I have prevented them from killing him? I wouldn't have stopped the enemy's bullets now.
No. But God has a way of revealing the future to helpmates. It's okay, let's go.
You should die now.
You will not die. I am here for you. Mama is also here for you too. Hmm? It's okay. It's not the end of the life. Hmm? Hmm?
Sandra.
It's okay. It's okay. Hmm? I am here. Stop eating yourself.
How is that our business? Of course, you know that police are the ones in charge of your son's case. We are just witnesses.
Now you get the point. You and the others, name your price. Do not appear in court.
What? I hope you know the gravity of your son's offense. I hope you know the sacrilege your son has committed. That is unforgivable. Eh? See, the best thing for you and your family is to leave this palace. Yes.
What? That is impossible. My husband built this palace. We go nowhere. Get it into your head.
Ichiokwe, that woman has no atom of shame at all. Her son does not need to step his feet in this kingdom. Let us concentrate on our new prince. Once we make him king, everybody will rest. Don't let that woman get to you. We don't have anything to do with that family.
Ijie, and that is exactly what we are going to do.
Nothing more.
Or if I don't know. Hi! As no ye buru chi also. Ogbagbo onwe ya n'ọsọ.
Our friends come their way.
Okay.
We
So
want
what?
it to be clear.
You want also we mo onye ichi okoye. Ana nakwa n'aka azụ. Oh God, now. Your Majesty, honestly, what you are suggesting is quite difficult. Very difficult.
Ichie, nobody is sure he has royal blood flowing in him.
He has a royal blood in his vein. Yes, the gods are wise, Your Majesty. Even though he is not the true heir, I know they will provide for our kingdom.
Ichie, my son is king.
But he's in jail for murder.
Really? And you think I will sit back here and watch my son rot in jail? No. My son is coming back. He is coming back for his throne. Not you or anyone can stop him from taking what rightfully belongs to him.
It's all right.
Mama, I said we drop this issue of Chidoka taking over the throne.
Can you even listen to yourself? Did you just hear what you said? Can't you see everything is working together for our good? Mother is the rightful heir to the throne.
Mother, he is a murderer. Let him serve out the term for the crime he committed.
Will you shut up and stop being selfish here? Stop it! Oh! I almost forgot. It's about your father's company, right? You are afraid he's coming to take that away from you, right?
Mother, that is not the point. The point is you all should stop this madness.
Jane, you should stop this madness. I'm ready to give your brother the account. Yes, Chidoka. Yes, Chidoka. He is on his way back as we speak right now.
The queen herself said that to me, that her son, Prince Chidoka, has been let off the hook. I do not know how it was pulled off. But we're in trouble. If that young man ever returned to this kingdom, I know why he's born so good.
You ask questions. You already know the answer to that. He cannot be allowed to return.
How? On his way as I speak to you now, he is on his way as I'm talking to you now. You now say he will not return.
Of course, he should be on his way. But nothing. Our position remains unshaken. Yes. He cannot be allowed to step his feet in this kingdom. No matter the game Afara family is playing, we must be on top of them.
How do you mean? Wagodim? How?
How? Come.
Cheers.
Cheers, my
To a
queen.
better future.
To a better future. My queen, thank you so much. I didn't know it was going to be that easy.
Really? Dearie, everything is possible as a matter of cash.
Oh, yes.
You know you're going to make a wonderful queen for my son.
Your Majesty.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me this hasn't crossed your mind all this while. A wise king for my son. Cheers again.
Cheers, my queen.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Classy.
Listen, I want a clean job. Do you understand? Good. Inform me when you're done. Hello? Are they there yet? Okay, good. I'll be there shortly.
There was a crime committed, a crime committed. Something is wrong.
Fucking old crazy man. Think they can fucking silence me. Think I wasted all my fucking watching movies, right? Oh god. These guys. He's crazy now. This guy fucking fuck everyone up. Going to get everyone out.
I'm a king. Am I a king?
Huh? Who is that idiot? Who blocked this road? Who blocked this fucking... Ah!
Why is he not here? Huh? Hello? Hello? What? What?
Helen, you and I know that there is no way Prince Chidoka can ask you to be his bride. Besides, he is not the next king.
I know you speak out of jealousy. Jealousy, 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 jealousy.
Look at who is talking about jealousy. Just look at. You and I know that I have a man who already...
Hey, chook up for my eye. No, chook up for my eye now. Leave me. I know. I know, Madam Jealousy. Madam Jealousy, I know.
Keep dreaming, my dear friend. Keep dreaming. Wake up from your dream. You will never be the bride.
Excuse me. I know you are speaking out of... Excuse me. Hello? Yes? What? No! Yeah!
Who was that?
Yeah!
What happened?
I'm finished! Please! Stop!
Helen, stop. Talk to me. Who was that? Please talk to me. Who was that?
Prince! My life! The prince is dead.
Come.
Why me? Why me?
Helen, stop.
Let me to stop! I was close. So close to becoming the queen of this kingdom.
Helen, please, can you stop lamenting?
Akudo, come back here. Akudo, come back here. Where do you think you're going?
Simple thing, just for you to call the firewood that we used to cook. It's too hard for you. Then you are trying to go out. Mama, what is it? Do you want to kill me with work in this house? Pity me, Kwanu. Did I hear you say pity you? Pity you for what? Are we not going to eat from the same pot? No, answer me!
So, because of that, I should die in this house. Every little thing, I could do this, I could do that. Mama, because I don't want all this. Because I don't alone.
Hey! So you're not out, Okay. Don't worry. Just go and come back. We'll meet you here. Oh, go there. You go there, go. Go and come back. I'm waiting for you. Look at the man, yellow. Hey! So go there. Hey! Come back here. Go and come back.
No. Are you okay? No. Are you okay? No. Oh my God. Are you okay? But why are you not looking now? Why are you not looking where you're going now? What nonsense? Sorry. Come.
Leave me alone.
Go now. Come, let me take you to the hospital. Biko.
My leg.
Sorry. Let me take you to the hospital now. Sorry. You'll be looking where you're going now. Sorry.
Akudo. Okay, what's wrong? Are you all right?
Yes, Mama, I'm fine. Do I look trouble?
Why didn't you ask when I was calling?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Okay, no problem. So you're right. You're welcome, my son. You're welcome.
Akudo, how are you?
Good afternoon.
My son, please have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, my son.
So, how are you, Akudo? I hope you are getting better.
Yes, I'm better. I'll be taking my drugs.
That's good. Mama, please can I see you 1 minute?
Oh, sure, my son. Please. Sure.
Thank you.
Nah, God bless you, my son. May God keep on blessing you for me.
Thank you so
Hey!
much. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey.
Akudo, do take care of yourself, okay?
Thank
Please
you.
heal, okay? I'll see you guys some other time. I have to run along.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Nah.
Thank you so much,
Go see you through.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Mama, this one you're smiling, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Did he give you money?
Money, what? Hey! Close this your mouth, Hey. You see, Akudo.
Mama.
I'm going out now. Your food is on the table. Make sure you take your drugs after eating.
I will, Mama.
Try to do so.
I will.
I'll
I
get
will
my
not.
way now.
Thank you.
Alright. Yourself, okay?
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Here. Greetings in the chair.
God of my praise.
Greetings in the chair.
This is my mother. You can speak to your words. Please, Onicha.
Ndiche, I am sorry for not reaching out to you all these years. And I am also sorry for not bringing your son here to you on time.
My fellow elders, as Nobona may had we have forgiven you. Just stand up.
Thank you, Richard.
Yes. I think this is also, but the main purpose of this very meeting is for us to get a date for your son's coronation. Or if I back up. So, even again, please go and take your seat so that we all agree on a date. Thank you, Richie.
Thank you,
No.
Thank you.
No. Oh yeah. Everything is set for your coronation. In a matter of days now, we'll present you to the people as tradition demands.
You're right, I think we are missing something here. Yes.
And what is that?
The bride, of course.
Oh! You are right.
Oh no. According to our tradition and custom,
yes,
he must present a bride before we take him to Imodi. A bride that will lead the kingdom with him. That's it.
That's a good one.
That's our tradition.
But you know we will not forget such a thing now. We're only trying to put one or two things.
Okay.
My prince, do you have anyone in mind?
The smile says it all.
Yes. It's alright. It's alright.
Okay,
was a crime committed, a crime committed. Something is wrong.